have a confession. I have always been a serial overpacker when going on trips. But over time, I have picked up some tips for how to organize the clothes that you're bringing on a trip and how to make sure that things that you're bringing are actually things you're going to wear and can make full outfits from them. So you're going to want to start out by pulling everything out of your closet that you think you might want to bring or wear. This includes things that you've been wearing recently that you know make you feel good, that kind of thing, and then try everything on. Just because you never know. Sometimes you think that you look a certain way, but it's been a while since you last wore it. Maybe your body's changed, so make sure everything fits. Then go through and try and assemble outfits. So I'll line similar things up. There might be times where certain shirts could work with multiple bottoms, so I'll put those side by side. Like this blue top, I could wear it with the black jean shorts or with the leggings. Then once you have the outfits laid out, take a look and see if you have multiples in one category that isn't necessary for the trip that you're going on. So do you have too much athletic wear or too many fancy outfits? If so, decide which ones get to stay and pull the rest out. Then go through and grab your accessories and your shoes and anything else you're missing from the outfits, lining up alongside the outfits. I then take the travel outfit that I'm going to wear on the airplane and put it aside so that I don't accidentally pack anything that I'll need the next morning. And these are the game changer. They're packing cubes. I got this in a FabFitFun box a couple years ago, and they're made by Calpac. It's a 3-pack, so I'll use one for my clothes, one for my husband's clothes, and then one for our toiletries and my hair care products and makeup. And let me just show you how much I can fit into one of these bad boys. There's a small, medium, and large size, and I'm using the medium for my clothes because it's typically smaller and more compact than my husband's. And I find that the best hack to fit more items in is to fold things as you normally would and then roll them up and fold it into like a little sausage. And then you can layer and stack those items really well and fit a ton in. I was able to fit everything that was on the bed into one medium-sized packing cube, other than my shoes and 2 oversized shirts. It always amazes me how much I can fit into one of these, and more importantly, I know that I have full outfits and not just random pieces of clothing that I like, but can't really make into outfits that I enjoy once I reach my destination. Let me know in the comments if you have any packing tips or tricks, and if you're interested in these kinds of life hacks, follow along for more. And if you're heading out, happy traveling!